In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use webhooks in Jira for real-time event triggers. If you want Jira to instantly notify another system when something happens, webhooks are one of the simplest and most useful tools you can set up. They let Jira send real-time event data to an external application or endpoint, which is especially helpful for integrations with messaging platforms, CI/CD pipelines, internal tools, or custom APIs. To begin, it helps to understand what Jira webhooks actually do. A webhook is an automated notification sent by Jira when a specific event occurs. For example, Jira can trigger a webhook when an issue is created, when an issue is updated, when its status changes, or when a comment is added. Instead of checking Jira repeatedly for changes, your other system can simply wait for Jira to send the data as soon as the event happens. That makes the integration faster and more efficient. Once you understand the purpose, go into Jira's webhook settings. Log into Jira using an administrator account since webhook configuration typically requires admin access. After you're in, click the settings icon, then select System. In the System Settings area, look under Advanced and click Webhooks. This is where Jira allows you to manage existing webhooks and create new ones. Now create a new webhook. Click Create Webhook, then enter a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might name it something like an issue update webhook. Next, paste in your listener URL, which is the endpoint that will receive the data from Jira. After that, choose the events that should trigger the webhook. Common choices include issue created, issue updated, issue transitioned, and comment created. Be thoughtful here because the events you select determine exactly when Jira sends data. After that, define filters if needed. This step is optional, but it's strongly recommended, especially in larger Jira environments. You can add a JQL filter to limit which events actually trigger the webhook. For example, you might filter for issues in a specific project and only when they reach a certain status. This keeps your receiving system from getting unnecessary traffic and helps ensure only relevant updates are sent. When everything looks correct, click Save. As soon as you save it, the webhook becomes active and Jira starts sending event data immediately. There's no extra deployment or activation step required. Finally, test the webhook. Trigger one of the events you selected by creating or updating an issue in Jira. Then check the logs or monitoring area in the receiving system to confirm the payload arrived correctly. This final check is important because it verifies that the webhook is connected properly and that the data is being received as expected.